Hi everyone, I'm Kenji Rivera. Today be I will be presenting a C program for laboratory activity titled Grade Ledger. This program allows a user to manage student grade records using a plain text file. You can add records, less them, search by ID, up, upgrade update grades, and even show class statistics. All data is stored in a text file called grade text. In this video, I will walk you through every part of the code step by step, explaining what each line does and how I develop it. So let's get started. Okay, okay, here we go. So first, okay, I can also first I included these header files. First, I included the header files. Uh, these libraries are essential for handling strings, files, and user input. Uh, Start of a main function. Here, this line. Okay. Here, I start the main function and declare a variable named choice, which will store the user's selected option from the menu. I use a do-while loop so the menu keeps showing again and again until the user chooses specify it. This, ma- this makes the program interactive and user-friendly. And with this line, okay, here, uh, I display the menu options one by one using printf and then ask the user for a choice. The space %C in scanf is very important. It helps ignore any leftover new lines from previous input, so it always reads the correct character. So this line is to make sure the menu works better, the user enters a capital or lowercase letter. I convert their input to uppercase using top upper, close open parenthesis, the way both A and capital letter A will fulfill the same functionality. So here we go. So let's scroll down for the next line. Okay. So now I use a switch statement to call the correct function based on the user choice. Hmm. User choice. For example, if they choose a capital letter A, it runs the add record function to add a new student. If the input doesn't match in case, I display invalid choice to guide the user. So the next one is here. Okay. This ends the loop when the user picks a letter Q for quit. Then the program returns 0, which is standard practice in C to show that everything ended successfully. Okay, so let's scroll down to the next line. So add record. This is the add record function. this is this line, this one. So this function opens RAID, stacks, and append mode using fopen. Letter small letter A means I can add new lines without deleting old ones. So this line uh, says if I check if the file failed to open, if it's null, I print an error and return early. And this line, okay. So then I declare variables to store the student's ID, 6 digit plus null, name, and grade. So this okay, let's scroll down okay here. Okay, so this line I get the user's input, the ID, the full name using scanf person, and this one to allow spaces here, to allow spaces in the grade, like example my name. This lets them type Rivera Kansan. Let's start the surname before the first name. This one here I write the info to the following using print f and close with the f close. Then I confirm that the record was added. Okay, for the next part, this is the last this record. Okay, so here the this line this is line is to list all records. I open the file in read mode with fopen r, so the r means read. Okay, so and this one, this line, if the file doesn't exist or is empty, I tell the user there are no records. And this line, okay, I prepare variables to hold data while reading each line. Okay, so okay, let's uh, this line, this print. Okay, here this prints a table header with column for ID, name, and grade. Okay, so for the next line of this program, okay, this line, okay, I hope you see it. Okay, I read each line using fscanf and print sorry, reads the entire name of the new line here. This one, this one. This is the reads the entire name up to the new line. And then I close the file again. Here, okay. Okay. The next line is uh okay, so the next line is scroll down. The next line is scroll down. This line is one, the search by ID. This line is this part searches by ID. I ask the user for an ID, then look through each line in the file. If I find a match using string copy, I print it and set the found flag. If I reach the end and find nothing, I set say ID not found. Okay, so as for the search by ID, so for let's scroll down for this line. Excuse me. Um, okay, this line is this function lets the user update a student grade. I open grade text file in read mode and also open a temporary file temp text in write mode. I will write the updated records to the temporary file and replace the old file. So this next line here, I check if either file failed to open. If yes, I print an error and return early to prevent crash. Okay, so for this next line here, this one, uh, I prepare the variables and ask the user for the student ID they want to update. I also prepare variables to track if a match was found. For this next line, maybe scroll down again. So this next line, here, this line, okay. I look through each record. If the ID matches the one entered, I show the current grade and ask for a new one. I write updated record to temp text if it's not the right student. I just copy the original line. So this one, okay, this one, this, this one. After going through the entire file, I close both files to finish writing. And this line, I deleted the old grades file and renamed the temporary file to replace it. This finalized the update and this one, okay, this one. If the ID was found, I confirm the update. Otherwise, I tell the user the ID was not found. For this this line of code, this line here. This function calculates and displays class statistics like average, highest, and lower grades. First, I open the file in the read mode. So for this next line, I check if the file exists. If not, I accept the function with a message. And here for this line, I set up variables to calculate the sum of grades, count how many records exist, and track the highest and lowest grades. So for this file, okay, this one, I read each record and update the total sum and count. I also compare each grade to update the highest and lowest values. Okay, so let's scroll down. Here, so this one, this one, let's close. After reading all records, I close the file. And for this one, okay, if no records were counted, I exit early to avoid dividing by zero. Okay, so this is the last line of this program, this code. Uh, Finally, I print the class statistics. The average is calculated by dividing the total sum by the number of students. I also display the highest and lowest grade report. Okay, uh, that's all everyone. I hope you understand and enjoy my walkthrough for my laboratory activity for a grade lecture program, file handling in C programming. That's all for this video. Bye bye.